This is the dissatisfaction theory of financial inclusion proposed by Peterson Ozili. The theory argues that financial inclusion programs should first be targeted to all individuals who were previously in the financial sector but left the formal financial sector because they were dissatisfied with the rules of engagement in the formal financial system. In other words, the theory is arguing that financial inclusion efforts should actually be made to people who who were in the financial system but left the financial system because they were dissatisfied with with certain experiences they had while dealing with financial services providers. Now the theory is suggesting that it's easier to bring back these people because their details are still with financial institutions. They can easily be reached maybe through emails, maybe through phone calls. They can easily be reached when the elements of dissatisfaction has been addressed. Okay. Now, the the beautiful thing about this theory is that it's basically saying that policymakers should actually target these people first before, any other category. Now, the theory actually has three merits. The first merit is that the theory is actually the first to address the problem of voluntary financial exclusion. So, as you know, voluntary financial exclusion is when people on their own willingly decide to exit the financial system, right? So, this theory is saying that policy efforts should actually be made to reach out to these people who have left the financial system on their own and sort of, persuade them to come back, and provide evidence to them that the elements of dissatisfaction has been addressed and they can come back. Now, another merit of this theory is that it doesn't require public funding to sort of bring them into so it doesn't require the government to spend any money to bring these people into the financial system. You just need private sector agents to reach out to them because they already have the information of these people. So reach out to them either through a phone call or an email and sort of persuade them to come back into the financial system. Now the demerit of this theory is that, again, it's targeting a few people, not everybody who probably it's not targeting a wider number of excluded people. It's just targeting people who have been in the financial system but left. And the second demerit is that it assumes that financial exclusion is caused by customers' dissatisfaction. And as you know, this may not be the case in every circumstances.